Welcome to Edits in Minutes. Today, I'll show you how to create a stylish Luma Fade transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, import your clips and place them on the timeline, ensuring they are adjacent. Select the first clip, go to the Effects panel, search for Luma key and drag it onto the first and second clip. Set the timeline to be at the cut of the clips. Then, by holding Alt and the left arrow, move 20 frames. Ensure you choose the first clip and head to Effect Controls. Adjust the cutoff to create the fade in and fade out effect. To transition between clips, click the stopwatch icon next to cutoff and set it to 0%. Then, move the timeline to the cutoff point 20 frames ahead and put it to 100%. Repeat the process on the second clip, but animate the keyframes reverse, creating a fade-in effect. Play the timeline to preview your Luma Fade transition. Adjust the keyframes and Luma key settings for a seamless transition. And that's it. A quick Luma Fade transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing.